Hey everyone, Chelsea with the Champagne Agency. Wanted to come on this morning and talk a little bit about PIP and the benefits that PIP can provide you in the event of you having to file a claim. A lot of people here don't realize the services that PIP can provide if you do in fact have to file a claim and need some assistance after an auto accident. So number one thing is replacement services. So if you are hurt, in an auto accident and you can't do daily tasks such as, going to the grocery store, cleaning your home, yard work, things like that, your personal injury protection from your auto policy will provide those. You do need some receipts that you need to receipts that you would need to hang on to. And then there are some forms that you would need to fill out. But a lot of people don't realize that your personal injury protection will take care of those services for you if you're no longer able to do so. Number two, wage loss. If your doctor keeps you off work, PIP can pay to 85% of your wages up to a state set monthly cap. That cap does get adjusted every year in Michigan, so that can fluctuate a little bit. And then number three is mileage for driving to your appointments. So if you were to keep a log and track all your miles going from appointments, from your home to your appointments, that also could be a reimbursement for you. Now, this also does depend on your personal injury protection limit and selection that you have. The lower the limits you have, the benefits may be reduced or unavailable. So if you have, been in an accident in the last 12 months and did have to file a PIP claim, you can always message in a text message, PIP checklist, and we can send you the exact forms and information that you would need if you were to need these services. So if you have any questions or, need any clarification on anything, please give us a call and we can get everything over to you that you need. All right, thanks. Have a good day. Bye.